Finally, if you are drinking alcohol, only drink small quantity. Indeed, drinking small quantities of alcohol can reduce the risk of heart disease for older people if it does not conflict with any medication being taken. However, the amount we drink, the number of times we drink increases, so do the risk. Why? It raises blood pressure, which increases the risk of stroke, stomach disorders, depression and emotional disorder, cancers, and particularly of the mouth, throat, and gullet, hepatitis and cirrhosis of the liver, malnutrition, accidents at home, at work, and on the road, suicide, risk to your family, violence, accidents, perhaps influenced by you, less to spend on food, poor role model for children, increased risk of divorce. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you can damage your baby by drinking alcohol. If you don't drink alcohol, don't start. If you do drink alcohol, you can lower your health risk by cutting down or even stopping now. What will you achieve? You'll be less at risk from developing major illnesses. You'll be less at risk from violence and accidents. You'll feel more healthy and you will influence your family's healthy lifestyle. How much alcohol can you drink with low risk? 1 unit of alcohol contains about 10 grams of alcohol and is roughly equivalent to 1 bottle. That's 250 ml of ordinary strength beer. That's 5 to 4%. 1 glass, 100 ml of wine, and 1 small glass of vodka, 200 milligrams of vodka. Drinks often contain 2 or more units in a single glass. If you drink up to 2 units a day of alcohol free from impurities, there is little chance of any risk to your health. If you regularly drink more than 1 unit per day, there is an increasing risk to your health. If you drink more than 4 units in 1 day, there is an increased risk of injury and accident, as well as increasing risk to your health. Here's what some people said when they had to cut down on alcohol. It was difficult. I felt strange for a while, but then I noticed I was more alert. Friends told me I'm more fun to be with. My sexual performance improved. I discovered we had fewer rules at home. I felt happy and my mood swing stops. I would like to hear your comments on the video below. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe, share, turn on your notifications so you get our videos as they drop.